The farm has been I guess in the family name for about over 154 years. The name is the Harbour View Farm because of the view of the harbour. My name is Dwayne McCauley. We're in it's Sheep Pond Road. It's just on the outskirts of Surrey, PEI. We farm Black Angus. It's a combination of purebreds and commercial Black Angus Simmental. It's a cow-calf operation. The farm itself in total is 200 acres. We also rent some of the portion of the land to potato farmers, and they grow potatoes on it and barley. And on the off years, I use the barley and the straw, and then I have hay from those fields after. Where we're located, we're about, I think, 3 kilometers from downtown Surrey, so we're right on a beach. It's beautiful. The land kind of slopes, I guess, east and west, so it's nice and high and dry, so it's good for cropping. It's also nice, there's a nice breeze here, so it helps with mosquitoes and flies, which is great for the cattle also. I've been here all my life, you know, so it's just something I really enjoy. I think Open Farm Day helps kind of bring people to kind of realize what's involved with farming, actually where their food comes from, and you know, and even to see the animals and see that they're treated well and you know they're not mishandled. So I think it's very important.